This is a final video to fix the No Man's Sky. Has encountered an error and will now shut down problem. Are you facing this exact issue where your game suddenly stops working and closes on its own? This problem happens because your computer files and the game settings are not talking to each other correctly. Most solutions you see on YouTube or social media are very confusing and take way too much time to follow. Here at Rexish, we know you just want to play your game without any more crashes. There are 4 proven methods to fix this error right now. I guarantee that at least one of these methods will work for you, even if your game crash is very critical. You should pause this video now to try these methods one by one, or take screenshots of the instructions. Do not skip any part of this process because every step is important for a permanent fix. Rexish brings you these simple fixes to save your time and energy. Please follow the method steps one by one as they show on your screen right now.